Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a brand new tool on AppSumo called Illustrationsai, an AI-powered illustration generator that helps you create custom on-brand visuals in just a few clicks. But here's the kicker, it's not just about random AI art. You can actually train the AI on your brand style, so your output is consistent and on-brand every single time. Here's what makes it stand out. Custom AI styles. Train the AI to reflect your brand's unique look and feel. Illustration packs. Work faster with themed packs so you're not starting from scratch. Easy editing with prompts. Highlight a section or type what you want changed, and the AI updates it instantly. Integrations. Export your illustrations to image or vector formats and plug them directly into Figma or Canva. Organization. Keep all your creative assets in one place for easy reuse. Basically, it's like having a personal illustrator on standby without the hourly rate. Now, let's talk about the deal. On AppSumo, you can grab lifetime access starting at $59 for Tier 1, or go bigger with $179 for Tier 2 if you need more monthly illustrations and styles. And of course, it comes with AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you're tired of wasting time and money on stock sites or expensive design work, definitely check out Illustrationsai while the lifetime deal is still live. I'll drop the link below this video so you can explore it for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more AppSumo deal reviews. See you in the next one!